Alright, hey guys, this is Painted Horseware Productions here with Joe's H-Fashion Fishing, and we are restoring his 1926 LV tie plate. So,
Alright. He just said it right there, guys. I'm Joe's HVAC Fishing Rail Fan Productions. We're having a meet. We got CA11 earlier, and we are doing restorations of my Lehigh Valley tie plates. It's this beauty right here. If you guys can see that okay. I'm gonna show you guys how this is done. Painted Horse showed us how it's done, as he did it too. So now we're gonna see the solo action of an LV tie plate being restored. Here we go. Guys can see I got my foot on the tool to keep it from moving. Look at all that rust flying into the air. That's what you want to see. Alright guys, so before we do the other shoulder, we got a little bit of chiseling to do, so it won't take us long. It's just a little bit of chiseling we gotta do. Very simple, just like that. We can now sand. Alright, now we're going to go for the Diamondback. Get that all nice and shiny. Now we're going to go for the sight, since it's actually relatively clean on this one, on the bottom. just like that, guys. There it is. Didn't even take 10 minutes to do. So we're just a little cleaning up here, make sure it looks really good. There we go, guys. That is how you do. That's how you de-rust and sand 1926 Lehigh Valley tie plates. Hey, Horse, you have anything to say about this?
Well, we took a rusted piece of metal and made it shiny again.
Absolutely. That's exactly what he said. And what do you think? Do you think you're going to look great with the yellow for the bottom of the yellow jacket rail?
Oh, yeah.
All right, he said, oh, yeah. Yep. Diesel nutrition facts, too. So, yeah, guys, and show you our little setup here we got. So this is my work stool that I use for my projects. So it's a little restoration tour, too. So this is the equipment I use. This is my work stool that I use for putting the project on, and it makes it easier for me to put pressure on the sander while we're sanding. As you can see, this is all nice and clean. And then right here is my HyperTough model number AQ20036G HyperTough 2.5 amps. Sandpaper I use is Gator 80 grit sandpaper for the job. And then for my chisel, I just use an old spike for a chisel, and I use my Stanley 16-ounce hammer. And then for our fan for ventilation, this is my Mainstays 20-inch high velocity fan. It's a good performer, and it took the rust right away, so we didn't breathe it in. And look at that beauty, guys. She is all nice and clean and ready for repainting. So thank you guys for joining us on our rail restoration adventures as he restored one of my three 1926, actually he did two of my three 1926 LV tie plates, and then I did the last one. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very special we brought to you, and hopefully on our next meet we'll actually be on scene collecting our prized possessions. Thank you guys very much for watching. So if you guys don't forget to subscribe to Painted Horse Rail Productions YouTube channel, which there will be a link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So real quick, guys, we're gonna show you another product. So all right, Painted Horse, tell them what we got here.
What do we got? We got a piece of looking, what is this, LV?
Yep.
We got a 4-foot LV from Steelton.
Bethlehem Steel, BSCO Steelton.
1926.
September
1926, open hearth.
That's right. That's the cooling method right there, open hearth. And it is ready for repaint. As you guys can see here, we got a nicely polished head. So it looks just like it did back in LV days. And what paint scheme is this rail going to be painted in?
This is getting Yellow Jacket.
Yes, Painted Horse just said it. This rail here is getting the Lehigh Valley Yellow Jacket. And also, guys, here's my DL&W rail display that we got too. So we're gonna showcase to you guys what we got. So right here, this is my DL&W 1934. This one was BSCO Lackawanna, as you can see. Got to redo the logo there. That's okay. I went and polished this one up because I thought it looked okay rusted, but I thought it'd be nice to have a rusted and a natural on this beautiful 1927 DL&W tie that I found. So right here, you can see the tie's in really good condition. And then right here is a 21-inch DL&W rail. So which do you like better? Do you like the natural head better, or do you like the polished head?
I mean, It's hard to tell. Natural looks like it hasn't been used in years.
Absolutely.
But polished looks like a train went right over it.
He said it. He said it. Just like that. Looks like a train just went over it. So yeah, guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to, Painted Horse and I are going to show you how to decode the date. Alright, so we brought it here on its side so you guys can see the information a little bit better. And we're going to get right into it. So, what do you think this means right here? Do you think that's pounds per yard, or you think that's the size? What do you think?
136.
Okay.
That's 136.
Yes. So, do you think that's 136 kilograms per meter or 136 pounds per yard?
That's 136 pounds per yard.
Yes. Okay, he got that right. What do you think that V stands for? It's part of something. We just said it earlier.
That's 136 LV.
Yes. Okay. 136, section Lehigh Valley. That's pretty familiar.
Yeah, BSCO.
Yes, that's the Bethlehem Steel Company.
We have Steelton.
Steelton, yes, that's where I was born. And that's the plant it was rolled in, the BSCO Steelton plant down in my hometown of Steelton, PA.
Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 marks.
Yes, we got 9 hash marks, which means it was
September.
Yes, September
of 1926.
Yes, indeed.
And the open hearth method.
Yes, the open hearth cooling method. Yes, that's right. You guys can see the bottoms all sanded down, ready for painting. So yeah, guys, and here's our here's what we just did all ready for repainting into the 3 LVs. Going to be repainting to the yellow jacket. Oh, the yellow one's right there. And this is a lot of projects we got to do, guys. So each meet we're going to do a little something different for you. We'll make a new video series, special rail restorations. So here we go. Here's a 141 RE right here from 2016.